Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Children, today we will learn about how to write domestic animals and pets name in cursive handwriting. Okay, let's start. Cow, goat, sheep, dog, cat, donkey, horse, camel, rabbit, buffalo, squirrel, ox, yak, hen, cock, lay, pigeon, parrot, duck, white rat. Okay, I will show you how to write these domestic animals name in cursive handwriting. Okay, cow, COW, cow. Goat, GOAT, goat. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. Dog, DOG, dog. Cat, donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Next, horse, HORSE, horse. Next, camel, CAMEL, camel. Rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. Buffalo, BUFFALO, buffalo. Next, squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. Ox, OX, yak, yak. Hen, hen. Cock, cock. Mule, MULE. Pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. Parrot, PARROT, parrot. Duck, DUCK, duck. White rat, WHITE, white. Rat, white rat. So like this we have to practice domestic animals and pets name in cursive handwriting. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching children. Bye bye.